Welcome everyone to Apple Insider. It is Andrew here and I've got my new iPhone 12 Pro. In this video, we're going to walk you through all the tips you need for the iPhone 12 mini, the iPhone 12, iPhone 12 Pro, and iPhone 12 Pro Max on how to turn it on and off, how to restart it, force restart it, enter recovery mode, enter DFU mode, as well as to exit recovery and DFU mode. So let's go ahead, jump into this, all the controls you need for your new iPhone 12. To start, let's look at the controls of the iPhone 12. Now, there are 3 buttons, just like on the iPhone 11 line, that you need to be aware of. There's the volume up button, the volume down button, and the side button. This is your side button, your power on and off button, your sleep wake button, whatever you want to call it, but we're going to call it the side button. So we're going to talk about those throughout this video. The first thing that we're going to do is learn how to turn your phone on or off. To do so, you're going to press and hold one of the 2 volume buttons, volume up or volume down, alongside the side button. So choose one of the volume buttons and the power button there, that's side button. Hold, and you'll see a screen like this, and you can simply slide to power it off. Turning the phone on is pretty much just as easy. Side button there, go ahead and press that for a few moments and you should see that Apple logo appear. You can basically just press it and let go. Good to go, your phone should turn right back on. Now there are times your phone may be acting up and you might want to perform a force restart. You want to forcibly restart your phone, something's not working correctly, and you just need to restart your device. Well, we've got you covered. All you have to do is press the volume up button, let go, press the volume down button, let go, then press and hold this side button until your phone restarts. Let's go ahead and try it out. We're going to press our volume up button, then the down button, and hold the side button. You do need to do those in somewhat quick succession, but if you do it correctly, after just a few moments, if we keep holding that side button, and boom, screen went dark, and we're restarting. Next, let's look at how to put our phone into recovery mode. And to do so, we're going to need a lightning cable, as well as our Mac or PC. So you've got our MacBook Pro here. Now, if you're using iTunes, great. You could also be using Finder, obviously in the new versions of macOS that have replaced iTunes with just a music app and the videos app and everything, or the TV app, and of course Finder for kind of managing your device. So we've done that. We've connected our phone using a USB-C to lightning cable. USB-C lightning cable comes into the box, or you can provide your own, but you will need that. So let's go ahead, look at our device here, and this is easy as well. To put our device into recovery mode, we're gonna press the top button, top volume button, release, press the bottom volume button, release, and hold the side button again. This time we're gonna continue to hold it until we see the recovery mode kind of message and image. So let's go ahead and try it out for ourselves. Volume up button, volume down, and press and hold that side button. So first we see that slide to power off screen, similar to before, but we're gonna keep on holding this time. We're just gonna keep holding, keep on holding, keep on holding. Our screen has gone black. Again, continuing to hold. And after a few moments, yep, we see our Apple logo, but we're gonna continue to hold even further. Just keep holding on to that side button. And in just a moment or two, instead of turning on, yes, we have our restore image and message there, support.apple.com/iPhone/restore. We have put our phone into recovery mode. How do you exit recovery mode? Very simple. Simply press and hold on that side button. Just do that for a few moments and you will see that Apple logo appear and your phone should restart just like nothing ever happened. The last thing that I want to show you guys is how to enter and exit DFU mode. So this is a little bit more complicated than the past ones, but I promise you can do this. So we're going to press the top button, top volume button, let go. Press the volume down button and let go. Then press and hold the side button for roughly 10 seconds. The screen will go black, and when it goes black, we're going to hold at the same time our volume down button. We're going to hold those 2 at the same time for roughly 5 seconds. Then we're going to let go of the side button while still holding down the volume down button. So let's go ahead and try it out for ourselves. Press the volume up, volume down, and press that side button. Hold on to that side button. The screen is eventually going to go black here. And once it goes black, we're going to hold onto that volume down button. And we're going to hold these 2 for about 5 seconds. And we're going to let go of the side button while holding on to the volume down button. We're going to keep holding on to this, and the screen is essentially just going to stay blank. You're not going to see anything on the iPhone itself. The screen is going to stay blank, but after about 10 seconds of holding the side button down, we will see an alert message over here on our computer letting us know that we have put our phone into recovery mode and needs to be restored. But what about exiting DFU mode? Still easy to do. Press the volume up button, release, volume down button, release, and hold the side button until we see our Apple logo. Let's go ahead and try it. Volume up, volume down, and hold that side button. So we see that Apple logo appear. Now we have successfully exited DFU mode. I hope this video was able to help you out. We have again walked through how to restart your phone, turn it on and off, how to enter recovery mode, and enter and exit DFU mode. If you ever need to use any of these tips, let me know. Let me know if they work for you. If you have any questions, let me know down below in the comments or reach out to me on Twitter at Andrew_OSU.